What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And all the subscribers that's watching this channel, make sure you guys click the thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. We got some big news with the modifications for all my cars, and today we got a special modification for the 86. Yes, sir. So I just got back from LA less than an hour and a half ago. Yeah, came from like a 6-hour drive. And I'm wet right here because I just got out the shower. So I said I was waiting for this. And this came in the mail the day that we left to go to LA. So was out there for 3 days. But we got the big modification for the car. So I got some exciting news. And this is definitely going to transform the car. And it's definitely good for racing. So let's go. All right, guys. So today we are going to work on this 86. This is the first time I ever done this modification. This is the first time I ever got this modification. And actually, what I'm going to be doing is order one for the RSX and for the Mustang. But I'm excited for this right here. This is going to be big. Check out the 86. I just came back home, just took the car cover off. And then check out the other baby, the RSX. I'm excited for my baby right here. As you guys can see, what I gotta do tomorrow, since I just got back from LA, I'm going to clean the whole inside. I'm going to wipe down, clean it real thorough and good. But this is the baby right here, the RSX. Do got some special news about the RSX. This RSX, I just ordered a wing. So the wing should be coming within the next couple of days. I ordered it today, this morning. So give it about 2 to 3 days. The part is coming from California out here, so it shouldn't take too long for delivery. Hopefully they ship it out tomorrow. We're gonna get the 86. We're gonna get the RSX wing, and this wing is gonna be temporary, but it's just a wing that's gonna make this car pop and make it more fun for me to drive. And also, we're gonna be getting some wheels and also exhaust for this car very soon. Stay tuned. But for right now, we're gonna upgrade this 86 with this modification. Now, what do you think the modification is before you guys even, you know what, it's already on the title, screw it. So this is the one that I got. I was trying to find a different color. I found some other ones. It was like the titanium color, like the mixed colors of blue, purple, and all that. They had yellow, blue, silver, and red. But the only one I could find for my car for a good price was the red one. So here it goes. Yes, sir. Got the tow hook. Officially got the tow hook. So I'm hella happy for this. This is badass. I love it. Super nice. I actually got this on Amazon. Definitely nice quantities. Lightweight, heavy. It is heavy, really. And yeah, so I don't know what to do. I never done this before, but I know I got this for the front of the car, and what we're going to be doing is adding it right there. And obviously, as you guys can see, it goes right here in this area. So I think I take this little piece off. Yeah, I think I got to put take that little piece off, and then I'm gonna kind of get it angle. So what I'm gonna do is, a lot of people keep these off, but what I want to do is I'm going to find exactly where the rod goes, and then I'm going to cut that out. So I know it's more up the top center, so I don't want to have this whole thing off because most people keep it off. It looks raggedy. But I'm going to cut this part so it can go in, but we're going to find out what it is. This is my first time ever doing something like this. I've never done this before, so I'm going to actually look on YouTube. I've seen this one video that encouraged me to get in, and when I started seeing these damn supers at car meets, I was like, I got to do the same thing. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, figure it out, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Like I said, I'm always by myself recording, so I'm gonna try my best to record me doing this. But first, let me investigate, let me see what I gotta do, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but if it's having a hard time, then I'm gonna have to put on pause. But so right here, from what I see, you gotta take these off. So I'm gonna use my flat hood. My flat hand. My flat head. Let me see if I can get like that. But now you gotta come in here. There we go. There we go. Take it off right there. My flat head would be perfect. And as you see, the tow hook goes right there. So it goes right in there. Let me see. Yep. It goes right in there. So I'm assuming, let's see, right there is the hole. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. I'm gonna try to cut in there. So I'm thinking, assuming there's more in here. So let's figure this out. So for my estimation, it gotta be in here. So what I'm gonna do is, if I can take this out, I don't know if I can take this out. There's gotta be a way for me to take this off. Oh, matter of fact, bam. Let's see. See how people usually keep it off like that, but I'm trying to see what part. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm trying to figure out a way for me to cut this, or trying to figure it out. I'm gonna try to figure out a way where I can have this because I don't like how that looks, which is like that. I want to actually keep, I want to cut, like basically I'm going to cut some of this off or drill a hole of some sort and play around with it and see what I can do. So I'm gonna try to make this look neater. I got to use both hands, so I'll be right back. All right, so this is what I'm about to do. So I got one of my small ones, so I'm basically gonna drill a hole, but what I'm gonna do is just play with this hole. I got one of my bigger ones, so I use a small one just to get a little hole. I'm gonna get this big one. Now I'm gonna just basically, from my understanding, is basically like that. So I'm gonna make a big hole where the tow hook could just go straight in. I can keep this piece on. So I'm gonna play around with the drill and get it accurate, and then I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done. So it's a little ghetto style, but it should work. It's big enough for me to get the tow hook in here, play around with it, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look once it's all done. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so I finally finished the tow hook. The tow hook looks so amazing to the car. It makes the car look way much better, and also it's gonna help when I'm on the track, because if anything does go wrong with me racing on the track, I do have the tow hook. I cannot lie, this car looks so amazing. I'm excited. This shit just really pops so much more, and I'm just super excited, like super excited. And like I told you guys, within the next couple of days, we'll be having the wing for the RSX as well. The RSX wing is going to be epic for the RSX, because it's time to get that car built. It's time to get all these cars built, honestly, but I really want to get the RSX looking nicer so I can enjoy driving it more, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the 86. It looks amazing. It really just gave it an extra flair to the car. It just makes it look even more legit as a race car that it is. And I'm just super excited because the car is coming out so much better. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna give it like a nice little montage of the car. So let's do it. All right, guys, so here is the 86. It's looking super dope. My newest modification to the car is the tow hook. I didn't do the one in the back. I did the one in the front. I just like how this one is. I wish I could have got the color I kind of was going for, but this was the second best option, and it helps with the contrast with the GR badge as well, because you see the GR badge is red, so it does give it a nice contrast with the car. I'm loving it. I think this just made it even doper to me. The car is already overall nice, and also this is something new that I added to the car. Went to the last car meet, the Honda car meet, and bought this Charmander. So we're gonna name my car Charmander, like the Pokemon Charmander from, you know what I'm saying, the fire type, and it's holding the boba. You feel me? So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, this is looking super nice. The car come a long way. The new license plate is for the company PM Auto. They're going to be actually working on this car. We're going to be modifying it with them as far as all the performance, the brakes, everything, steering, everything is going to get perfected, and we're going to go with them. And I'm just enjoying this, man. This is super sick. I'm glad to come back from LA. As soon as I got back from LA, to put the tow hook on, It looks good. The car's a little bit dirty, but it is what it is. But I'm just enjoying this car as we go. So as you see right here, by the tow hawk right there, it looks so damn good. This one I got on Amazon, so I don't know what brand this is. I got it on Amazon, and it's real sturdy. It's heavy as hell. So it's definitely very, very, very tough. I like it. This one is just a little loose up here, but I got it the best I can. I've been driving around, testing it out. It's sturdy, so it looks damn good. I'm loving it, and I got it for under 20. I basically, with taxes, I got it for under $30. Literally spent like $28 for this tow hook, and it looks so fucking nice. It really just makes the car pop even more. I'm super excited for this. I fucking love it. Yeah, so I'm super excited. This car is coming out the way I want it with the tow hook. It just makes the car look better. But like I said, also we're going to be racing on the track, so I definitely need a tow hook just in case of emergency. If I, crash or anything like that, they will be able to get me out of danger with a tow hook. So it's definitely a good look, but it's actually functional. You know what I'm saying? It's actually functional, and it's wood look. So it definitely makes it look more of a race car. I'm just loving it. Just little things that you do to your car takes the car to a whole different level. Trust me. But I'm in love with this car. I love my 86. I never get rid of this car. Like, I really, really, truly enjoy this car. It makes me happy. I break a lot of necks. I get a lot of people give me compliments with this car every time I drive it. I definitely love it. It's so perfect. It's so perfect, and that's something that you need, But anyways, like on the back of the car, though, there are two spots that you can put it on. You can put it on either side of the car. The tow hook back there. But for me, I just like it, like nice and clean. I'm gonna just leave the tow hook off of it for now. I might get a tow hook for the back, but for right now, I'm definitely loving just the front, just to make it look more cleaner, not too much, like too much over the top. But it's definitely have a nice profile. I'm definitely loving it. So if you guys want to get one, I definitely recommend you guys to get a tow hook. It makes the car look more of a race car that it is, but at the same time, it is functional. So if any emergency you need to get pulled, boom, you got it right there. Damn, it looks so good, y'all. I love it. Love the tow hook, man. Looks damn good. Let's get this thing back to the house, and we are done for the day, y'all.